Hey y'all, hey, good morning y'all, good morning. So I just got up, I'm about to get ready for my day, but I had to hop on here and tell you guys, y'all, I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but if you want to start a YouTube channel, if you're a small YouTube content creator, you need to make sure that you are being consistent and creating videos now. So my small YouTube channel, I am getting more subscribers in 1 week than I would get in a month, y'all. More subscribers in 1 week. Y'all, I don't know what's going on. Well, I kind of know what's going on. But, y'all, they are really pushing small content creators, okay? So I woke up this morning because for the past few days, past week and everything, my YouTube channel has been doing well. At the beginning of the year, I said that I want to post more content. I want to be more consistent. Well, I was already posting at least one video a week, but I wanted to make sure that I was posting more than just one video a week and being consistent in that way, in that manner and everything. Y'all, and literally over this past week and a half, 2 weeks, y'all, I have been seeing my channel growing. Y'all know, or if you're new to my channel, I have been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. My goal was to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of February, which is like my birthday. Y'all, on average, I would get 100 subscribers a month, okay? So for me to get to 5,000, it would have been a little bit of a stretch, but usually I get about 100 subscribers a month. Y'all, tell me why I woke up and I looked at, I said, let me just look at my analytics since things have been increasing. My channel has been growing. I see that I'm getting, more subscribers and more viewers and stuff like that. So I was like, let me just look at the analytics and see. Y'all, I pulled up those analytics. And what I would get in 1 month, I've gotten in 1 week in terms of subscribers. Like I said, I usually average 100 subscribers a month. That's on average, a whole month, okay? But in 1 week, y'all, I have gotten over 100 subscribers, y'all. So post your content, y'all. Be consistent with what you're posting. Some tips that I would share, or what I've been trying to do. One, yes, you need to post more consistently, okay? You can't just post once a week unless you have an established channel. But if you are new, you have to post more than once a week so that you can get in front of people, get in front of audiences, so that they can see you and see you making videos on a regular basis. So start posting consistently and regularly, and more than one video a week, because that's what I was doing. I was doing one video a week all of last year, and yes, it helped maintain me getting, my average 100 subscribers a month. But if you want to see different results, you got to do different things. And so I told myself at the end of 2024, I said, I want to see my YouTube channel really, really grow. And I said, I'm going to have to push out more content and everything. So that's what I've been doing, y'all. I've been pushing out more content. The other thing I've been doing is trying to make sure I am giving my audience, or giving people what they want, or the things that they would be interested in, and not necessarily things that I was interested in. So with my one video a week or whatever, it would usually be, about, something that I wanted to talk about, or something that I could easily talk about, so to speak. I wasn't being strategic in planning out my videos and seeing what was popular, what was trending. Now, I'm not saying follow all the trends or whatever. Like, if you have a niche, if you have something specific that you want to talk about on your channel, then find out what's trending in that particular niche for your niche and everything, and talk about that topic, okay? So I'm not saying jump on all the different bandwagons. I'm not saying follow all the different trends. But what I am saying is, whatever your niche is, see what is trending. See what's a trending topic in that niche. See what people are talking about. See what people's concerns are in that particular area, in that particular niche, and make videos about that, okay? Give the people what they want. Give the people things that they are interested in. Now, you can still do the stuff that you would like to do, but definitely, if you want to see your channel grow, you have to give the people what they want. And you have to be of service to the people and be helpful and give helpful tips, helpful information to help them out, and show that you are doing stuff to help them and help them to be better. in whatever they're interested in. Okay, so definitely do that. So I had to do a little bit more research to see, hey, what is trending in my particular niche? What are people talking about? What are people looking at? What videos are getting the most views in my particular niche? Okay, and then I will make videos similar to that, or similar to what other people have made that are also trending, and giving my own spin and giving my own take and giving my own viewpoint about it. Okay, so you have to do that. Now, if you do want to keep up with trends, if something is trending or whatever, see how you can make it. If it's a trending topic, see how you can incorporate that into your niche. Okay, so that's another thing that I did. Like the Beyonce Bowl was really, really big. And I said, how can I make this relevant to my niche? Since everybody is talking about the Beyonce Bowl, how can I make this relevant to my niche? So if there is something trending, don't just jump on the trend and do that, but see how you can make it relevant to your niche. Okay, so do that, y'all. Y'all stay encouraged. Okay, stay encouraged with this YouTube journey. This has propelled me. This has motivated me so much. The other thing that I have noticed too with YouTube is that make sure your titles are intriguing and searchable. You want to make sure your titles are searchable. I don't know what it is. Like I said, I have definitely seen a shift in the YouTube algorithm and everything like that. And what I mean by that is that I was finding that some of the bigger YouTube people that I was following, I was like, why aren't they getting as many views as what they would typically get? And then some of other channels that I was finding, I found that they were like smaller YouTube channels, but they're getting a lot of views, y'all. They're getting a lot of views. And if you are a small YouTube channel, if you are a small content creator, you too can get views, because I'm getting views as well. I'm getting views and I'm getting subscribers. Okay, but what I realized when I looked at what those big YouTubers were doing versus what those small YouTube channels were doing is their titles. Their titles were very the titles of the small YouTube channels, they were very searchable. They weren't like fancy titles or anything like that. It was just like, you know, simple stuff, like just statements, and they were telling about what they're doing, their journey. They were being relatable to the audience, and it was intriguing. Okay, it was intriguing. The other thing I noticed too is that you don't have to worry about your thumbnails as much, or it doesn't seem like it. It doesn't seem like you have to worry about your thumbnails as much, because a lot of these people had like simple thumbnails. So, and that's also a strategy I started doing as well. I would spend time making these thumbnails, and now I'm like, I'm not doing all that, because I see that the people who don't have, like, you know, fancy thumbnails and all this kind of stuff, they're just putting up a picture, putting up some words, and going on about their day, and their videos are getting views. So you just have to make sure your title is searchable, your title is relatable, your title is interesting to what people are looking for, especially if it's in your niche. Okay. Alright, so you have to make sure you're doing that if you want to be found and if you want to be discovered on YouTube. But I just had to get on, y'all, because I am just amazed, y'all. I am so amazed. At the time I'm recording this video, I'm going to try and get it up today since I'm getting it out this morning. It is January the 30th, okay? So we only have 2 more days in the month of January. And my goal to get to 5,000 subscribers, I thought I would not hit until the end of February. And even for that, I said that would be a stretch for me to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of February. It would be a stretch, but it would still be doable if I was consistent with posting my content, y'all. And we're 2 days away from February, and y'all, I'm about to hit 5,000 subscribers. I am about to hit 5,000 subscribers. It is mind blowing. I woke up this morning, I was like, thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. So, keep posting your content. You know, stay encouraged. Don't let anybody discourage you. Don't let anybody say that you can't be successful on YouTube, because you can. You can. You just got to put in some work, and you got to make sure you're creating relevant content and relevant topics to what people are looking for and what people are searching for. And just put it out there, okay? Just put it out there, which is part of the reason I'm getting on today, y'all. I haven't even got dressed. I need to get ready for work and everything. But I was so excited, y'all. I was so excited. I got 100 subscribers in 1 week. And that's usually what I would get in 1 month, y'all. 1 month, y'all. So Just get out there. Start posting content. If you wanted to start a YouTube channel, this is the time, because they are really, really promoting small content creators. I'm seeing it for myself. I am literally seeing it for myself. And at the same time, not only am I seeing that small content creators are getting more views, I'm also seeing that some of the mid-size and larger channels are not getting the same viewership that they would before. And I don't know. I guess it's because they're trying to push out more small content creators. So now is your time. Now is your time to go ahead and start that YouTube channel. Now is your time to go ahead and post the content on your YouTube channel. If you have been back and forth, if you have been inconsistent, now is the time. Today is the day. Do not wait any longer, y'all. Do not wait any longer. Do not wait any longer. I have been in this grind for a while, y'all. I have not seen this amount of increase in my channel since I started YouTube, okay? I have not seen this amount of increase, y'all. But like I said, there were some things that I did, making sure I was talking about topics that are relevant, changing up my titles, or making sure my titles are searchable. And if you do that, you will have success. But you got to be consistent, and you got to be willing to put in the work, okay? All right. So I hope y'all have a wonderful day. I hope this helps you. I hope it blesses you, because I'm blessed to be a blessing, and I just want to share with you guys how I have been blessed in this journey. And if you like this content, if you enjoy what you see, then please do me a favor. Please subscribe to my channel. I will not take it lightly at all. All right, take care, guys.